mo. Okay. Grabe yung ganun si reaction. Okay, balik ang box, please. Okay. This time, dahil di pala lang sila, mabawasan natin ang dalawa para meron tatlong matatanda. No worries, yung dalawang matatanggal ngayon, bibigyan na namin ng consolation prize kasi mas mahirap na to. Let the game begin! And head, shoulder, knees, toes, head, shoulder, knees, toes, head, shoulder, knees, toes, bato! Ano? Oh, bato! Ano? Bato! Hindi mo having bato! Yan, bato! One more! Head, shoulder, knees, toes, head, shoulder, knees, toes, box! Alright! So meron na namang natanggal. Again, no worries. Meron kayo consolation prize. Maraming salamat sa pagsali. By the way, meron kang gusto sabihin kay teacher?
Thank you po, Mami. Thank you po sa advance po.
Okay, thank you so much. Balik ko ang box, kuya. Okay? Tatlo na lang sila. One representative from the girl and the two representative for the boys. Boys, walang layaan to. Ang nasa likod nyo na lang ngayon is cup. Okay? This is the mechanics of the game. Ganun pa rin. Head, shoulder, knees, and toes. When I say cup, kukunin ang cup. But of course, kung sino ang matatalo this time. Okay? Isa lang ang mananalo, of course. Kung sino yung matatalo, okay? Merong consequences. Sasayaw. Okay? At rest ng mananalo ka. Alright! Let the game begin! Head! Shoulder! Knees! Toes! Head! Shoulder! Knees! Toes! Box! Walang box dyan. Walang box dyan. One more! Head! Shoulder! Knees!